Welcome to Crochet Techniques with Melissa from cmelissacraft.com. To make an invisible starting half double crochet, we need a stitch marker. We are going to pull up a loop about the height of a half double crochet and then clip your stitch marker around both legs of that loop. We're going to have it on there. Then you're going to hold the loop on your finger and you're going to wrap your hook around and then insert it into your same stitch. So whichever your first stitch is, hold this stitch marker back, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. So those legs of that first loop that you made are going to count as a loop on your stitch. So you pull through all 3, and now you have the beginning of your half double crochet here. If you don't use the stitch marker, it just blends in way too much. So we're just going to half double crochet a couple across so I can show you what it looks like again, and then also work into that first one that we did. So I've just done a few stitches over. Now we're going to turn, and to start with a invisible starting half double crochet, we pull up our loop again, we clip a stitch marker around that loop, hold the loop on our hook with our finger, loop your hook around, insert it into your stitch, loop and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So now we're going to go over to our first one. Just going to work over there and show you how to work into it. So we're just going to go in where this stitch marker is and complete our half double crochet. And then you can take your stitch marker out. This stitch marker really sucks. All right, so there we have our invisible starting half double crochet at the beginning of this row, and then we have one at the beginning of this row, and as you can see, it blends right in with the rest of your work.